Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary with me, Alex. Today's word is anger, a B2 level noun that refers to a strong feeling of annoyance. It's a powerful emotion that everyone experiences from time to time, and understanding how to use this word in different contexts can help us express ourselves more clearly. Let's break it down. Anger is often used to describe that intense feeling of frustration or displeasure when something goes wrong or when we feel we've been treated unfairly. For example, she couldn't hide her anger when the package arrived late. It's a word that captures those moments when emotions run high and communication becomes especially important. Now, let's look at some synonyms for anger. Words like rage, fury, and outrage carry similar meanings, but vary in intensity. For instance, his rage was evident when he saw the damage to his car, or the decision caused public outrage across the community. These words can add depth to your vocabulary and help you choose the right term depending on the situation. On the other hand, antonyms of anger include words like calmness, patience, and serenity. For example, her calmness in the face of criticism was admirable, or practicing patience can help resolve conflicts more effectively. These words highlight the opposite state of mind, where emotions are controlled and peaceful. In everyday life, anger is a word that comes up in various conversations. You might hear someone say, "I felt a wave of anger when I found out about the mistake," or "Learning to manage anger is an important skill." It's also commonly used in phrases like, "Don't let your anger get the best of you," or "He vented his anger by writing in his journal." Here are a few more examples to help you practice. The anger in her voice was unmistakable. He tried to suppress his anger, but couldn't stay silent. It's natural to feel anger when someone betrays your trust. These sentences show how anger can be expressed in both spoken and written language. To wrap up, we've explored the meaning of anger, its synonyms and antonyms, and how it's used in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the English language. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you, so why not create your own sentence using anger and share it with us in the comments? Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you soon.